Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this issue. Earnings at risk. One or more of your site does not have an ads.txt file. Fix this now to avoid some impact to your revenue. So, in this video, I'll show you how to solve this issue. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. What you need to do, first click on here, learn more. All the basic needed steps are described here. How you can add and where you need to add this file. Create text file, include this line, and you need to add at this URL path, your domain name, and this then this can be accessible from outside. So how can you add this file to your website? First you need to log in to your admin site. My site is justinter.com. I already log in. You need to log in. So first we'll install an plugin. This will do make our work easy. And search ads.txt. You need to install this one, ads.txt manager. Once the installation is complete, you need to click on activate. Okay, now here settings and click on ads.txt. Now you need to paste it here, this text, google.com and all of this. And you need to replace this publisher ID with your publisher ID you got in AdSense. Click here on account. This one. Copy this and paste it here. But you need to copy your own AdSense ID and click on save changes. So according to instructions, your text file can be accessed by this URL. So let's test it. Let me test justinter.com slash add.txt. So you can see our ads.txt file is accessible on this URL. So good luck, guys. This will take it will take a little time to remove this message from here. So if you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Subscribe the channel and like the video.